How's it going, guys? I'm Dustin, aka CropDustin on TikTok and Instagram. Today is going to be a part 2 on the flick tosses, specifically to show you some ways to get into it and get out of it, to give you a little flow-spiration. If you want to learn the basics of the flick toss, check out our last video on the subject. Today is just going to be kind of for inspiration. I'm not going to be going in depth into many of the tricks. So yeah, follow along. So here's a variation, throwing from behind the back. And you can do that either inwards or outwards to a back catch. So you can do it from a shoulder roll, either inwards or backwards behind the back. You can do it across the body, outwards, or across the body, inwards. You could also do it from an inward figure 8 toss across your body, inwards and outwards. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions on any of these variations specifically and want a tutorial or maybe just a couple tips to get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. We'll do our best to reach out and answer you. Maybe even make a follow-up video. Thank you so much for coming along. I'll see you next time. Good?